What instruments are used in Irish music? Have you ever listened to Irish music and wondered what makes it so captivating? The answer lies in the diverse range of instruments that bring this music to life. When you travel in Ireland, you will hear these instruments in pubs, festivals, and gatherings, creating an authentic experience of Irish culture. One of the most recognizable instruments is the Bodhrán. This large frame drum, often made with goatskin, provides the rhythmic heartbeat of Irish music. Played with a wooden stick called a tipper, the Bodhrán has a deep sound that complements other instruments beautifully. The player can adjust the pitch and tone by using their hand on the drums inside. Next up is the fiddle, which is essentially a violin. This instrument is beloved in Irish music for its lively and expressive sound. The fiddle can play fast reels, jigs, and slow airs, making it a versatile choice for many traditional tunes. Another fascinating instrument is the Uilleann Pipes. These are a type of bagpipe that is bellows-driven, producing a sweeter tone than the Scottish bagpipes. Played while seated, the musician pumps air into the bag with bellows under their arm. The Uilleann Pipes have multiple drones and regulators, allowing for a rich harmony alongside the melody. The flute, traditionally made of wood, is another key instrument in Irish music. It has a clear and bright sound, making it perfect for many traditional tunes. The tin whistle, also known as the penny whistle, is a small and simple instrument that is popular among both beginners and seasoned musicians. Its sweet tone carries well in group settings. The harp is Ireland's national symbol and has ancient roots in the country's music. The traditional Irish harp, or clorshach, has wire strings that produce a bright, ringing sound. It is often used for slow airs and provides beautiful accompaniment. In addition to these, the accordion and concertina are free-reed instruments that add rich harmonic support to Irish music. They are portable and commonly used in music sessions. The mandolin, bouzouki, and guitar, though not originally Irish, have found their place in modern Irish music, adding rhythm and melodic variation. The Irish bouzouki, adapted from a Greek instrument, is particularly popular. Historically, various harps, pipes, horns, and early string instruments were used in Gaelic Ireland, some dating back to the 8th century or earlier. However, the instruments mentioned here are the most common in contemporary Irish traditional music. When you travel through Ireland, listening to these instruments connects you to the country's rich musical heritage. Whether in a lively pub session or at a festival, these instruments create the vibrant sound that defines Irish music.